In this video, I'm going to be showing you a powerful trading platform that's clean, highly intuitive, easy to use, and has so much more to offer you than the trading platforms that you're probably used to using, such as Robinhood or Webull. Best of all, you do get a brand spanking new free stock just for signing up. You don't even have to deposit any money. And from my experience, this app gives pretty darn good stock. So don't you go anywhere, because we're going to be starting right now. Hey, what's going on? It's Pat from Top Ticker Trades. If this is your first time here and you want to learn how to grow your wealth through investing and trading stocks in the market, make sure you start right now by subscribing and tapping that bell so you never miss a thing. I'll see you in the video. Let's go. What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be taking a look at Firstrade, the trading platform. Now, this is a very exciting one, and I'm very excited to be showing it to you. It's a cut above the rest, in my opinion, and I'm about to show you and tell you why. But before we get started, ladies and gentlemen, if you could do me a huge favor and give me an early thumbs up on this video, it'll really help me out a lot. These videos do take a lot of time to do the research for, to, record and edit and everything else. So it would mean a lot to me, and it would definitely help support the channel. Also, if you want to help me out even more, you guys can use my link to sign up for this platform that I'm teaching you about today, or showing you today. And that way you'll get a free stock and I'll get a free stock. So it's a win-win situation no matter how you look at it. It costs you nothing. You guys do not have to deposit any money. Simply sign up for an account and we'll both get a free stock. Now, I will say this, this app is pretty generous, or this platform is pretty generous as far as the stocks that it gives you for free. A lot of times you'll get stocks like Uber, Bank of America, and the last time that I got a free stock, I actually got NEO. Now, I have had a few people that have used my link that got shares of Microsoft. So that's another really good one. If you guys aren't familiar with the price of Microsoft, it's over $200 right now. But yeah, if you guys want to do that for me, that would be greatly appreciated, and it would certainly motivate me to make a lot more videos just like this one in the future. But now, without any further ado, let's get right into the video so I can show you exactly what this platform has. So Firstrade offers a full suite of investment products, and you can choose from stocks, ETFs, options, fixed income, and over 11,000 mutual funds. So don't hesitate. Now, obviously, the products that I just mentioned are going to go under individual or joint brokerage accounts. And with those, you have no annual fee and $0 commissions, which is the same thing that Webull and Robinhood offers, except they don't give you all of these options. You can also have a cash account or cash account management here, which basically is a full service account that allows you to write checks, access funds via a Visa debit card, and pay bills online, just like a traditional bank account. So we know that Webull doesn't have this, but Robinhood does. They also offer brokerage accounts for entities, which is basically a business account. So any type of business, corporation, partnership, whatever the case may be, you can get an account with them for that. They've also got retirement plans, so you can do a rollover IRA, traditional IRA, or Roth IRA. And what that allows you to do is continue saving for retirement and deferring taxes. So that's a pretty good deal if you guys want to check that out. But most of your employers will offer that anyways. So now we can move on to small business planning. So with small business planning, you've got the SEP IRA. It's an easily managed plan that allows for larger tax deductible contributions of up to 25% of your income within limits and tax deferred growth. But perhaps the coolest thing about it is that you're not required to file annual taxes. So that's pretty cool. Now, the last thing we've got under small business planning is a simple IRA. which is the perfect tool for businesses that have fewer than 100 employees who want deductible employer contributions in an account that offers tax-deferred growth. And the last one, we've got savings for education. So the first thing under that is Coverdell ESA, where there pretty much is no account minimum and your children will get tax-free distributions to pay for qualified education expenses. The second one is a custodial, which allows you to help give your grandchildren, children, and other minors a head start by transferring property into a custodial account through the Uniform Gift to Minors Act or the Uniform Transfer to Minors Act. And with these accounts, they're not tax deferred, but they are taxed based on the tax rate of the minor. Firstrade does offer you margin with a 5% margin rate, which is, I'm not sure what Robinhood's or Webull's margin rate is, but I know that they both offer margin. I'm pretty sure it's about the same. They've also got some really cool trading tools. Firstrade essentially brings you a clean interface that is highly intuitive and has a much clearer layout than most of its competition, making the detailed data that they provide easy to find and understand. And you get historical stock pricing, financial reports, dividends, and customizable stock graphs with trading indicators that are non-existent at Robinhood and superior to those that are offered by Webull. The platform also delivers timely news and events from a variety of different sources like Morningstar, Zacks, Benzinga, and PR Newswire, which even comes with a navigational tool. Also included on the platform is a dynamic stock screener that lets you scan all the different sectors and industries, which allow you to view the performance of a specific sector all the way down to its individual companies. And for those of you that are tired of having to deal with the inconvenience of having to Google upcoming economic and financial events, you can use Firstrade to set up instant notifications for all of those events and much more. So the platform will also help take the guesswork out of trading so that you can literally make informed decisions through their analyst reports and ratings. This is a service that Robinhood charges, money for, and I believe they call it Robinhood Gold, which is also how you get margin through Robinhood, but they include their Morningstar analyst service with that. So here you get it for free. And one thing I forgot to mention before that I'm glad I remembered now is that this platform has amazingly fast execution speeds for your order. So we're talking about 0.6 seconds for your order to execute, which is literally amazing. You're not going to see that at Robinhood like probably ever. And Webull is definitely not keeping up with that. I can tell you that right now. But enough torture. Let's take a look at the platform. So you can tap to trade instantly from the positions dashboard. And as you can see, I made this a limit order, putting a limit price in and then the duration GT90, which all that is pretty self-explanatory, but I do want to back you up for 1 minute and point out that you can also short a stock on this platform. You can cover and pretty much do anything that you would be able to do in like a traditional trading account like TD Ameritrade or Charles Schwab, one of those types of broker platforms. It has the feel of one of the newer platforms, but gives you all of the same features that you could expect to see at like one of the traditional brokers. And that's why, that's another reason why I really like this app. And it also allows you to buy OTC stocks, which, is something you will not be doing on Robinhood ever, or, probably Webull. I just don't see it happening. This is actually one of the only apps like this that I've found that allows you to do all that, other than, your traditional brokers. So I'm actually pretty hyped up about this app. And as you saw earlier, you can have all sorts of accounts on this app or on this platform. So What's another cool feature is that you can click on that briefcase up top where I just clicked, and you can switch between accounts, which is awesome because I don't know any other platforms that just allow you to switch back and forth between accounts like that without you having to actually log out, log back in, which is really extremely annoying to me. So, I'm really grateful for the features of this platform. So I'm just gonna kind of show you guys around and then cut this video short because it's getting pretty lengthy here. But as you can see, there's your charts, and your indicators. Well, we're about to see the indicators. Then you got your news, your overview, and your events, which I talked about earlier. There's your charts and all of your indicators. I mean, there are a ton of them. And this image really, or the video here, doesn't do it much justice. So it's time for me to bust out the good old screenshots where you guys can see exactly what this platform looks like. I mean, look at these charts. They're just beautiful. Beautiful, okay? These are really as beautiful in person as they look in a screenshot. So I would suggest, encourage, whatever you want to call it. I don't care. By the way, I'm not a financial advisor, but I can recommend that you download an app or a trading platform. But I'm not going to say that by you downloading this app, you're going to, make some crazy gains or become a millionaire overnight or whatever. I mean, I'm not going to say that you're going to make any money by using this platform, okay? Put it that way. But what I will say is that it's a nice platform and I like it. I like it a lot, and I think that you would enjoy it as well. So I think this wraps it up for me, guys. But listen, I really, really need you to smash that like button if you hadn't done so already. And if you're not a subscriber, holy cow, please subscribe because you're going to love my videos. I post them every day. Sometimes I publish 2 to 3 videos a day when I can. But, I stay busy, but I still try to post those videos because I know that you guys need me just like I need you to smash that like button. I also need you to subscribe. And most importantly, well, not most importantly, but another thing that I need you guys to do, if you, found this video helpful and think that this app will work for you, please go ahead and download it through my link, which is the first link in the description below. And even if you think that this platform, this app is complete garbage, go ahead and download it anyways so we can both get a free share of stock. You know what I mean? Anyhow, hey, if you guys made it all the way to the end of this video, man, I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. You guys are the best. You guys are the S, if you know what I mean. And I'm not talking about those Skechers. So listen, if you want to watch more of my videos, stay tuned because the end screen is coming up and you're going to see links to a few more of my videos. Congratulations, ladies and gentlemen, you've made it to the end of the video. If you found this video helpful, I ask that you help this channel out by smashing that like button, as it motivates me to keep making videos just like this one every single day. If you're not a subscriber, you should consider subscribing, as I publish valuable content like this daily. You can do so from your screen right now, and if you want to check out more of my videos, you can click on the video that you'd like to see on your screen right now. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.